Hi. We have finished 5.1 exercise yesterday, which first sum, the parts we have done. Now we shall go for question number 2 in 5.1. Please open your NCERT book and notebook and pen. It should be ready. Okay. Now let's see what is second question is saying. Write first 4 terms of the AP. AP का 4 terms लिखो. When the first term A and the common difference D is given. What is given? He is saying that first term A, we know that first term is A is given, okay, and difference is given. Common difference is given. Then first term and the common difference D is given. Common difference क्या है? D है. Common difference D is given. So find the 4 terms. 4 terms निकालना है. 4 terms only A1, A2, A3 and A4 निकालना है से. Okay. So we know the formula. A1 equals to A as it is, isn't it? So what he says? What is A? He has given A is 10 and D he has given how much? D also 10. D also he has given 10. These 2 things he has given. A1 and D he has given. Now you have to find 4 terms. So this is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and next 4 terms I said. He said first 4 terms. So these are the first 4 terms. A1 is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So now what we will do? A2 is what? What is our general formula? Our general formula is A plus what? A2. So 2 minus 1 है ना? 2 minus 1. So A लिख दिया, A को A लिख दिया. Then to decide D, what you will do? A is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1D. So you can write that. Okay. So second is what? A3 is what? A plus 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1 is, sorry, my mind first goes ahead. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So A3 is 2D. And A4 is A plus 3D. Similarly, A5 is A plus 4D. But he didn't ask more, only this much only. Whatever he asked, that much we shall do it. So what is our A? A2 is what? A plus D. So A is what? 10 plus D is 10. That equals to 10 plus 10 is 20. Okay? Then A3 we shall do A plus 2D. This is our general formula. So A3 is A2. A is what? Our 10. 10 plus 2 into 10. That equals to 10 plus 10, 20 equals to 30. ठीक है, हो गया. Then A4 you can take out. A4 equals to A plus what? 3D. 4 minus 1 is 3D. So A is our 10 plus 3. D is our 10. So 10 plus 10 3s are 30. So it equals to 40. A4 is 40. What are our A5 if you want? A plus 4 into D. So he said only 4 terms. First term is what? 10, second term is 20, third term is 30, fourth term is 40. You see, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 4 terms he has asked and we have given, right? So this is क्या है? Second question का part 1 खत्म हो गया. Second question is what? A is minus 2, D is 0. A is minus 2, D equals to 0 he is given. And we have to find again 4 terms, same question. So A2 equals to A plus D. A is what? Minus 2. D is what? 0. That equals to minus 2. Then A3 equals to A plus 2D, isn't it? 3 minus 1 is 2. 2D. So A is what? Ours? Minus 2 plus 0. That equals to minus 2. A4 equals to A is what? A is minus 2. D is 0. That equals to minus 2. A5 also same. A6 everything. Even n terms भी वही है क्योंकि our D is 0. So these are the 4 terms we got it. Then next question, this is second question is over. Okay, second part, second question है, second part हो गया. अब 3 part 3. So here he has given what? A equals to 4. A equals to 4 and D equals to minus 3. Now 0 is over, positive is over, this is negative. Now you can pause the video and do the sums and you find out where the mistake is there, or you could do it. So A2 you can do it again. A plus D. A is what? 4 plus D is minus 3. For our formula is what? A2 equals to A plus D. So that's why we did A को A लिख दिया, plus को plus लिखा, D is what? Minus 3. That's why we put in minus. Now what in before bracket what is there? Plus is there. So we have to multiply. 4 को 4 डाल दिया. Then plus into minus is minus. 4 minus, this dots coming. 4 minus 3, that is 1. Right? Then A2, A3, A3 equals to A plus 2D. Now A is what? A is 4 plus minus how much? Sorry, plus 2. D is what? Minus 3. That equals to 4 plus into minus is minus 2 3s are 6. That is 4 minus 6 is minus 2. ये हो गया A3. फिर A4, A plus 4 minus 1 is 3. 3D. Now A is what ours? 4. Again you put the 4 plus 3. D का value क्या है? Minus 3. So we put this. So now 4 plus into minus is minus. Always you have to multiply the sign, then you multiply the number, then variable. Suppose if the variable is here, there is no variable, then first you multiply the sign, then you multiply with the number. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now 4, that is minus 5. A5 also if you can take out, then what is A plus 4D. So A is what? 4 plus 4 into minus 3. So this one will become 4A5 equals to A. A is what? How much? 4. Then plus into minus is minus. 4 3s are 12. That equals to minus 8 आ गया. So you can write like that 6 number whatever, but he said only 4 terms. He said only you have to write 4 terms. First term is 4, isn't it? Second term is 1. Third term is minus 2. Then next term is what? Minus 5. इसके बाद क्या आ गया? Minus 8 भी आ सकता है. Minus 8. If he asks first 5 terms, you can do the first 5 terms. But he said only 4 terms. You have to write only 4 terms. Okay. Now, so just to show only how to do that I showed you. Okay. Now this I think so you understood. Now second, third part हो गया. Now we shall go for the fourth part. Fourth is what? A is minus 1. A is negative. You see, n can never be negative or positive. It is whole number. That number of terms is always whole number. But for terms can be negative, terms can be positive, terms can be rational number, or D can be positive, D can be 0, D can be negative. So we can. So only n will not be. N is a whole number. Number of terms like counting number. Right? So here he is saying again you take out the 4 terms. So what? Minus 1. Then D is 1 upon 2. D is 1 upon 2. Yes. So now again A2 equals to A plus D. So A is minus 1 plus D is half. So now this one what you will do? LCM ले लो. 2 ये हो गया minus 2 plus 1. तो प्लस माइनस 2 से 1 गया 1 हो गया, और ये क्या है गया? माइनस बड़ा है तो माइनस हाफ हो गया. देन A3 विल बी A प्लस 2D. A is what? Minus 1 plus 2. D equals to half, isn't it? 2 gone. So that is minus 1 plus 1 दैट इक्वल्स टू A3 इज 0. ठीक है, सो अब A4 निकालेंगे. A प्लस 3D, A इज व्हाट? A इज -1 प्लस 3 इंटू D इज 1/2 दैट इक्वल -1 प्लस 3 1s are 3/2. तो इसको फिर एलसीएम ले लो. 2 आ गया, देन 2 1 -2 हो गया यहाँ, ये प्लस 3 दैट इक्वल्स टू माइनस प्लस है ना. 3 - 2 इज 1, सो प्लस इज बिग ऑन हाफ. ठीक हो गया. तो फिर हमारा AP इक्वल्स टू व्हाट? AP इक्वल्स टू व्हाट इज दैट? AP फर्स्ट टर्म इज व्हाट? -1 कॉमा, सेकेंड इज -1/2 कॉमा, फिर ये हो गया 0, फिर यहाँ हो जाएगा हमारा हाफ हो गया. ठीक है, ये हो गया हमारा आंसर. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? ओके. तो और अगर नहीं आया फिर पूछ लेना. ठीक है, और अब चलेंगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट. अभी खुद कर दिए, पॉज करके सम्स जरूर करना है बेटा. सारे एक ही तरह का, ऑल आर सेम, सो दैट्स व्हाई यू पॉज इट एंड डू इट, देन यू सी हाउ इट इज डन. नाउ A इक्वल्स टू -1.25. A इक्वल्स टू -1.25 and D equals to 0, sorry, minus is there, minus 0.25. Both are negative. A is negative, D also negative. So what we shall do now? Same way we shall go on doing. So A2 we shall take out. A2 equals to A plus D. A is what? -1.25 plus D is what? -0.25. ठीक है, अब इसको फिर -1.25 एज इट इज लिख देंगे. फिर यहाँ ब्रैकेट के सामने प्लस है, प्लस इंटू माइनस इज -0.25. बोथ आर व्हाट? माइनस, इसलिए हम इसको क्या करेंगे? ऐड कर देंगे. -1 पॉइंट, देन दिस वन -0.25. 5 5 10 5 1. ठीक है, हो गया 1.5 दैट इक्वल्स टू -1.5. हो गया. A2 आ गया. फिर इसके बाद A3 लाएंगे. A3 इक्वल्स टू A प्लस 2D. ठीक है, A प्लस 2D. देन A इज व्हाट आवर्स? A इज -1.25 प्लस 2 इंटू -0.25. ठीक है, -1.25 प्लस इंटू माइनस इज -2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये हो गया 50 हो जाएगा, है ना. 0.50 दैट इक्वल्स टू माइनस, इसको ऐड करो 1.25 माइनस फिर -0.50. सो दिस इज 75, है ना. -1.75 -1.75. ठीक है, थर्ड पार्ट हो गया. अब हमको कितना लाना है? अब हमको लाना है फोर्थ टर्म. ठीक है, सो A प्लस 3D कर देंगे. फिर A हमारा क्या है? हमारा A इज -1.25 लिख दिया एज इट इज. ये प्लस को प्लस लिख दिया है, 3 लिख दिया है. D हमारा क्या है? -0.25 है. ठीक है, तो अब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ठीक है, यहाँ करेंगे. सो अब A4 ला रहे हैं. A4 इक्वल्स टू -1.25 हो गया. और यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करो, प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस. अब 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 5 आर 15, 1 3 2 आर 6, 1 7 पॉइंट, ये है 0. ठीक है, अब ये दोनों भी माइनस, फिर ऐड हो जाएगा 1.25 माइनस. कहीं भी बेटा सब ऐसा साइड वर्क करोगे तो क्या होगा? कभी भी रॉन्ग नहीं होगा. इफ़ यू डू द साइड वर्क यू विल नेवर गेट wrong, because in the examination you will have a tension how to finish quickly, all these things will be there. So orally you can do, no doubt, but you have to do side work, so there will not be any problem. Orally you may get wrong. 5 5 10, so this is 10, so this one 2 है ना, 1 plus 1 is 2, this is minus 2.0 या minus 2. So what is our AP? AP equals to A1 हमारा क्या है, minus 1.25 comma, then A2 is what, minus 1.5, then A3, then you will write A3 is 1 minus 1.75, A4 minus 2. This is our AP answer. ठीक है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अब क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 क्या दिया है, अब देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में यहाँ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में दिया ए दे दिया, डी दे दिया, ए हैज गिवन, डी हैज गिवन, एंड ही सेड फाइंड द टर्म्स. दैट इज वेरी इजीली वी डिड इट. आवर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज फॉर द फॉलोइंग एपीज राइट द फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. वो एपी दे दिया, नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड द कॉमन डिफरेंस. देयर ही हैज गिवन द common difference is given, but here we have to find the common difference. For first APs, write the first term. What is your first term? Write the first term and the common difference. What is your common difference? That he said. So he has given the AP. एक क्वेश्चन AP दिया क्या है, AP equals to 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, dash 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 dash, it is given. So from this you have to find the first term and the common difference. You know that first term, the first जो पहला आया वो फर्स्ट ही होगा, ये पहला आया है ना, हम जो पहले जाएगा उसको फर्स्ट टर्म कहेंगे. ये तो कहाँ, यहाँ सामने खड़ा है, उसके सामने और कुछ नहीं. सो फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है, A is 3. Okay, now you have to find the common difference. Common difference equals to what? A2 minus A1. What is our A2? A2 equals to 1, right? So you will write common difference equals to A2 is 1 minus A1 is 3, that is minus 2. आ गया? हाँ बेटा. So minus 2 आ गया. फिर इसके बाद और कुछ का है क्या, फर्स्ट टर्म एंड कॉमन डिफरेंस. दैट्स ऑल, नथिंग, फिनिश. ओके, नेक्स्ट सम यू डू इट योरसेल्फ, है ना. देन यू सी वेयर इट इज रॉन्ग और व्हाट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन, सेकंड पार्ट, दैट इज -5, -1, -3, 7, dash dash dash. It is an AP. He is saying that this is an AP. So our A1 is what, -5. A2 is what, -1. So first term तो we know this one, तो common difference let's take. Common difference equals to A2 minus A1. So A2 is -1. This minus is there, माइनस को माइनस लिख दी. A1 क्या है, -5, इसलिए हम यहाँ क्या करेंगे, -5 डाल दें, क्योंकि ये A का वैल्यू है, A1 का वैल्यू है, राइट. सो अब इसको सॉल्व करो. -1 को 1 हो गया, ये ब्रैकेट के सामने माइनस आई, माइनस इंटू माइनस इज +5. सो +5 से -1 जाएगा तो 4. What is our count? A1 is what? A1 first term is -5. Common difference equals to 4. This is the answer. ठीक है बच्चे, ठीक हो गया, समझ में आ गया. अब सेकंड पार्ट हो गया. अब चलेंगे थर्ड पार्ट. थर्ड पार्ट में देखो, ये सारे क्या दिया है, ए पी सारे फ्रैक्शन से दिया है. क्या है, 1/3. ए पी क्या दिया, 1/3, then 5/3, then 9/3. He is saying AP. That's why you need not test it. A3 minus A2, whether equal to A2 minus A1, you need not do it. He is saying this is AP. So 5/3, 9/3, then 13/3 dash dash dash. ऐसा है. So he is saying that A1 is what ours? A1 equals to 1/3 and A2 equals to 5/3. From this we can take out the common difference, है ना. So अब common difference is equals to A2 minus A1. A2 is what? A2 is 5 upon 3 minus minus. A1 is what? Positive only, so you need not put in bracket. So 1 upon 3. This is what? 3 3 है ना, इसलिए 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 3. हमारा क्या है? कॉमन डिफरेंस 4 अपॉन. डिफरेंस फ्रैक्शनल नंबर भी हो सकता है, नेगेटिव नंबर भी हो सकता है और पॉजिटिव नंबर भी हो सकता है. कॉमन डिफरेंस 0 भी हो सकता है. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया. अब चलेंगे हम फोर्थ पार्ट. फोर्थ पार्ट में सेम एपी दे दिया. क्या दिया है? ये है डेसिमल पे 0.6, 1.7, 2.8, 3.9 dash dash. So A can be decimal, A can be rational number, A can be negative, A can be positive. So D also same thing, है ना. So now only n is the whole number. Number of terms will be whole number, counting number. Okay. अब इसको हम लेके चलेंगे. क्या करेंगे? अब इसको A1 क्या करेंगे? A1 का सेम चीज है ना. The same thing we have to write. A1 is 0.6. अब A2 क्या करेंगे? A2 हो गया हमारा 1.7. Now A3 is 2.8. We need not write because from this we can. He is saying already this is AP. Therefore we need not bother. So let's find out the common difference. Common difference equals to A2 minus A1. Our A2 is what? 1.7 minus what is our A1? 0.6. ठीक है, इसको माइनस करो. 1.7 माइनस 0.6. यहाँ 7 माइनस 1 हो गया, दैट इज 1.1. राइट हो गया. यू विल राइट हियर अगेन इक्वल्स टू A1 equals to 0.6 and common difference equals to 1.1. This is the answer. Always beta after finishing you have to write the what he asked, that you should write it and underline, then write answer. For this they will, if you don't write, then for that they will deduct half mark in the examination. Suppose you want to 100 out of 100, then everything implies and answer, highlighting, all these things you should show it. Then fourth sum. Which of the following are AP? Which of the following are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. कह रहे क्या? Which of the following AP? अगर AP है क्या? Is it AP or not? He is asking. And if it is AP, find the common difference is how much? And write 3 more terms. 3 more terms you have to write it. This is the. So what is he has given? What? 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4. Sorry, 2, 4, not 6. I am writing my 2, 4, 8, and 16. Here you see whether it is in AP or not. But you see 4 minus 2 is 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6 होना चाहिए. But here what the multiplication is there? 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Multiplication यहाँ चलेगा नहीं. Addition only it will go. When you go to the 11th class, then you will learn. Then now. So what is it AP or not? So A1 is what? 2, A2 is 4, A3 is 8, A4 is 16, है ना. तो ये कह रहे AP है या नहीं? AP है या नहीं जानने के लिए क्या करेंगे? A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2, isn't it? Common difference should be same. So what you will write? A2 is what ours? A2 is 4, 4 minus 2. यहाँ हाँ, you write here A2 minus A1, 4 minus 2, that equals to 2. This is our common difference. Then let's see A3 minus A2. A3 is what? A3 is 8, 8 minus 4. That equal 8 minus 4 is 4. This is the difference. So both what? Here 4, here 2. That means A3, A2 minus A1 is not equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, this is not an AP. समझ में आ गया? ठीक है. फोर्थ का सेकेंड क्वेश्चन क्या है? 2 है, 2 कॉमा 5/2 कॉमा 3 कॉमा 7/2. ठीक है. तो अब हम A1 इज व्हाट? A1 इज 2, A2 इज 5/2, A3 is 3, A4 is 7/2. Now let's see whether it is AP or not. So A2 minus A1 should be equal to A3 minus A2. तो अब A2 minus A1 निकालेंगे. A2 minus A2 क्या है हमारा? 5/2 माइनस A1 क्या है? 2/1. इसको LCM ले लो 2. Here 5 minus 1 divided by 2 है ना. 2 2s are 4. That equals to half. ठीक है. ये है कॉमन डिफरेंस आया है. फिर अब A3 माइनस A2. ओके. A3 माइनस A2. A3 is what? Ours 3 minus A2 is what? 5/2. So now this make a rational number. Then LCM is 2. 2 divided by 1 is what? 2. This is 6 minus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 5. That equals to half. You see here what we are seeing? We are seeing what? अब यहाँ से हमारा क्या होगा? A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore, it is an AP. AP आ गया because common difference is same. Is equal, common difference is same, that's why it is an AP. Now if it is an AP, then find 3 more terms. How many terms he has given? 1 2 3 4. That means he said that 3 more terms, A5 A6 A7 है ना. इसके बाद वाला इसमें हाफ ऐड 2 तरीका है. तो मैं इस तरीके से होता है A plus 4D है ना बेटे. A कितना है हमारा? A is 2 plus 4. डिफरेंस कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या आया? हाफ. So 2 गया. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Right? Then comes A6. A6 is what? A plus 5D. एक कम होता है. So A क्या है? 2 plus 5. D is half. Then 2 plus 5 1s are 5. 5/2. That is 2 2s are 4. 9/2. ठीक है. सेकेंड A5 हो गया. 4 terms there. A5 then A6 हो गया. Now let's take A7. That is A plus 6D. A is what? 2 plus D is what? Half. So 2 3s are. That means 2 plus 3 is 5. ठीक है. तो हमारा 3 more terms क्या? What are the 3 more terms? 3 more terms equals to क्या क्या आ रहा है? ये वाला A5 4 9/2 5. ठीक है. ऐसा this is one method. Another method is what? You got this one, 4th term you got. I am going to rub over here. Okay. So 3 more terms he said. Next term will be what? Next term क्या होगा? 7/2 plus हाफ कर देंगे है ना. नहीं 3 टर्म्स का है ना. हाँ. तो इसमें वन मोर डी ऐड कर देंगे. 7/2 प्लस 1/2 दैट इज 8/2. दैट इक्वल्स टू 4 आ गया हमारा. फिर नेक्स्ट ये 4 में फिर हम क्या करेंगे? हाफ ऐड करेंगे. ये 4th 5th टर्म है ना. ये 6th टर्म हो जाएगा और हाफ ऐड कर दिए. 4 2 8 9/2 आ गया. देन सेवेंथ टर्म, और इसमें फिर हाफ ऐड कर देंगे, 1 अपॉन प्लस 1 अपॉन 2 दैट इज 8 अपॉन 9 अपॉन 2 प्लस हाफ 10 अपॉन 9 plus 1 is 10 upon 2 that is 2 5 sir, so 5 has come. But actually we have to do not this way, that way you can do. Suppose 2 marks या 1 mark में अगर आ गया then you can add half add करके हम next term निकाल सकते हैं. Suppose 2 marks sum या 3 marks sum like that, if it is there then you have to show. Fifth term is a plus 4d, 6th term is a plus 5d, like that. Now let's go for the third part. Third part what is saying? Third part is minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 1.2, then next is minus 3.2, next is minus 5.2, next is minus 7.2. Now our A1 is minus 1.2, A2 is minus 3.2, A3 is minus 5.2. From here we can find out the common difference. A2 minus A1, let's take out common difference he said. So A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, A2 is what? 3 minus 3.2 minus 1.2. समझ गया ना, ये माइनस जो फॉर्मूला माइनस लगा दिया, और A1 इज माइनस 1/2, ये माइनस 1/2 लिख दिया. ओके, यू गॉट इट. द फॉर्मूला इज व्हाट? A2 minus A1. तो A2 I have written here, this minus we wrote it, but A1 is what? We have seen that here minus 1/1.2, therefore 1.2. Now let's solve. Minus 3.2 minus into minus is plus 1.2. Now minus 3.2 then plus 1.2. Now this is subtraction sum because this is plus minus. So sign are different, therefore we have to do subtraction. 3 minus 1 is 2. But what comes? It is minus 2 is our common difference. ठीक है, डिफरेंस है ये, कॉमन डिफरेंस हम निकाल दिए. अभी कॉमन डिफरेंस निकाले, फिर इसमें फिर कह रहे फाइंड द, if it is AP then A3 minus A2 we shall take. A3 is what? A3 is minus 5.2 minus A2 is what? 3 minus then minus 3.2, right? Then minus 5.2 minus into minus is plus 3.2. Now this is also subtraction. 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus 3 is 2. The common difference is same, है ना? So now this is AP. This is an AP because A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2, right? So now what he is saying, if it is AB, find 3 more terms. How many terms he has given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5th term we have to find out. A5, A6 and A7 we have to find out. A5 is what? 5th term equals to A plus 4D. A is what? A is minus 1.2 plus 4 into D is what? D is our minus 2. So minus 1.2 plus into minus is minus, this is whole number, 4 2s are 8, that becomes 0 minus 9.2, है ना? 4 2s are 8 minus 8, both are minus, इसलिए हम ऐड कर दिए. 8 से 1.2 को ऐड कर दिया, ऐड करने से 9.2 आ गया. फिर नेक्स्ट, फिर A5 हो गया. अभी A6 लेंगे, ठीक है. A5 हो गया, अब A6 इक्वल्स टू A प्लस 5D, है ना बेटा? सो A इज व्हाट इट इज 1.2 प्लस 5 इंटू D क्या है? -2 है, 2 डाल दिया, ठीक है. अब हो गया माइनस 1.2 प्लस इंटू माइनस इज माइनस 5 2s are 10. So this one will become 10 plus 1 is, though both are minus, we have to add it, है ना, ऐसा माइनस 1.2 और माइनस 10 0, तो ये हो गया 2, ये 1 1 माइनस, है ना. सो दैट्स वाई 10 पॉइंट माइनस 10 के साथ माइनस 1.2 करने से 11.28. तो A7 A प्लस 6D, isn't it? तो A is what? Minus 1.2 plus 6 into D is what? D is minus 2, right? So now solve it. Minus 1.2 plus into minus is minus 6 2s are 12. That equals to minus 13.2. These are the three terms of it. What are the three terms? Next three terms equals to, ये लिख लेंगे. A5 is how much it has come? Minus 9.2, 9.2 और A6 क्या है? Minus 11.2. A7 is what? Minus 13.2. So he said that after three terms, three more terms, we have taken out the three more terms, right? समझ में आ गया ना, ये बहुत easy है. तो सेम वैसी सारे चल रहे हैं, क्योंकि आपको ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस होगा तो द डाउट कुछ नहीं रहेगा, आराम से सारे सम्स कर पाओगे. दैट्स वाई सेम सम्स हैज बीन गिवन. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट सम. नेक्स्ट सम दिया है, क्या दिया? माइनस 10. ओके, फोर्थ सम माइनस 10 दिया, कॉमा, देन माइनस 6, कॉमा, माइनस 2, कॉमा 2 डैश डैश डैश. सो वी कैन फाइंड द डिफरेंस. A1 क्या है? A1 माइनस 10, A2 इज minus 6, A3 is minus 2. So A2 minus A1 is our common difference, है ना. A2 ये वाला कितना आएगा? A2 is minus 6 minus 10. So now minus 6 minus into minus is plus, then 10. This equals to 4. Again common difference कौन सा है? A3 minus A2. सो A3 इज वॉट बच्चे? यहाँ माइनस 2 है, माइनस 2 माइनस A2 इज वॉट? माइनस 6. नाउ minus 2 minus into minus is plus 6, that equals to 4. Now you see common difference is same, this one and this one is same. So what you will write? A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2. Therefore this is an AP. Now we have to find other three more terms. So this is up to 4 terms there na, 1 2 3 4 terms he is given. Then fifth term A5 equals to A plus 4D. A क्या है हमारा? A है minus 10 plus 4 into 4, that is minus 10, 4 4s are 16, that is 6. ठीक है, तो यहाँ 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14 लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो करना है तो कर सकते हैं. A6 equal A plus 5D. A is what? Minus 10 plus 5, D is 4, है ना, D is 4. So minus 10, 5 4s are 20, then this is 10. Okay, now A7 we can take out. A7 equal to A plus 6D. A is what? A is minus 10 plus 6, D is 4. So that equals to minus 10, 6 4s are 24, that equals to 14. So what are the three more terms? Three more terms equals to, what is our fifth term? Fifth term is 6, then next 10, next 14. नहीं तो आप ये ऐड भी कर सकते थे, है ना. 2 कॉमन डिफरेंस 4 आएगा. 4 + 2 इज 6. 6 + 4 इज 10. 10 + 4 इज 14. हो गया. ठीक है. ओके. फिर अभी चलेंगे फिफ्थ पार्ट. ये फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का फिफ्थ पार्ट. ठीक है. दिस इज फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, फिफ्थ पार्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डू इट. फिफ्थ पार्ट. Fifth part same. If it is AP, then find 3 more terms. Fifth part दिया है. Very good. ये क्या दिया है? Rational and irrational number मिला के 3, then 3 plus √2, then 3 plus 2 √2, then 3 plus 3 √2. ऐसा करके दे दिया है. Now we have to find whether this is an AP or not. So our A1 is this one, है ना. A2 ये है, A3 ये है, A4 ये है ना बेटा. So A1 समझ गए ना. Should I write down? Okay. Okay. So A1 is 3, A2 is 3 plus √2. Okay. Then A3 is 3 plus 2 √2, A4 is 3 plus 3 √2 is given. So now we have to find whether it is whether it common difference we have to find. Common difference equals to what? Common difference equals to A2 minus A1. तो A2 हमारा क्या है? 3 plus √2 minus 3. So now what? 3 cancel. So √2 is our डिफरेंस आ गया. फिर सेकेंड कॉमन डिफरेंस कौन सा है? A3 माइनस A2 का निकालेंगे. A3 माइनस A2. A3 हमारा क्या है? फर्स्ट A3 इज 3 प्लस 2 √2 माइनस A3 माइनस A2. 3 प्लस √2. ठीक है. ऐसा है. 3 प्लस √2. 3 plus √2 A2. Now let's open the bracket. Here we didn't do because what? A2 have we done? A2 is 3 plus here only one number, that's why you didn't put in bracket. So here 3 plus 2 √2 plus into minus is minus 3 plus into minus is minus √2. So अब क्या होगा? ये 3 gone, 3 gone, √2 minus 2 रूट्स, एक रूट गया तो एक रूट रह गया. सो आवर कॉमन डिफरेंस इज सेम, राइट. सो अब क्या लिखेंगे? A2 माइनस A1 इज इक्वल्स टू A3 माइनस A2. देयरफॉर दिस इज एन AP. ठीक है. Now you have to find 4 more terms. How many terms he has given? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then fifth term A5 लेंगे. A5 equal to A plus 4D. That is A is what? 3 plus 4 into D is common difference is what? √2. That equals to 3 plus 4 √2. A6 A plus 5D है ना. A हमारा क्या है? 3 plus 5 and D is √2. That means 5 minus. ठीक है. हो गया. 3 plus 5 √2 हो गया. सिक्स्थ टर्म. देन सेवेंथ टर्म A7 इक्वल्स टू A प्लस 6D है ना बेटा. A इज व्हाट? 3 प्लस 6 इंटू D इज √2. हियर आई इंटू मैं ऐसे दिमाग से कर लिया. ठीक है. 5 √2 हो गया. तो इसमें भी 6 इंटू √2 तो 6 √2 हो गया. दैट इक्वल्स टू 3 प्लस 6 √2. These you cannot add because this is rational, this is irrational. That's why you leave it. This is also rational. Rational plus irrational is irrational and you cannot add them. Right? Now fifth part हो गया. अब है sixth part. ठीक है. अंडर रूट वाला समझ में आ गया ना. कभी कभी अंडर रूट वाला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है। सो सिक्स्थ पार्ट क्या है, ये वाला देखते ही पता चलेगा। देखो 0.02, देन 0.22, देन 0.222, देन 0.2222, ऐसा होकर चल रहा है। ये एपी होगा या नहीं, देखो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, धीरे धीरे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं, देखते ही हमको पता चलेगा दिस इज नॉट एन एपी, है ना। तो इसको करना चाहते हो कर सकते हो, A2 माइनस A1। A2 क्या है 0.22, A1 इज माइनस 0.2। तो क्या आ गया 0.22 से 0.2 को माइनस करो तो ये क्या आएगा 0.02 इज द कॉमन। देन A3 माइनस A2, A3 क्या है हमारा 0.222 माइनस A2 इज 0.22। नाउ 0.222 देन 0.22 माइनस किया, ठीक है। सो अब ये हो गया 200, दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज कमिंग 0.002, दैट मीन्स द कॉमन डिफरेंस इज नॉट same. What you will write, A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So here what happened, here common difference CD is not same. CD means common difference is not same, therefore this is not an AP. और आगे क्यों चलेंगे भाई, हमको जितना पूछा उतना ही कहेंगे, और आगे 3 टर्म्स तो ये तो एपी नहीं है, वो करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, बस यहाँ करके छोड़ देंगे। यहाँ तक हो गया, अभी बाकी सब नेक्स्ट क्लास में करेंगे, ठीक है। ओके।